So today I'm going to show you guys how to create a custom audience of people who have watched your videos or engaged with your content on your business page. So we've been talking about, how to create audiences of people who have watched more than 50% of your video before sending them to a landing page, right? Because we want to warm them up. So we're going to start right now in the Ads Manager. This little hamburger menu is going to give you all of these options. And now what we're going to want to do is go to Audiences. And this is like a bum account, so I don't have a lot of info here, but I did want to walk you guys through. So you're going to go to create a custom audience, and now you're going to see that they're going to give you all kinds of options. You can do a customer file, which is this is where you can import your email list. And what's really cool for those of you who are using MailChimp, you can import all of your contacts from MailChimp here and create a custom audience of your email list, or you can upload the CSV file right here. Also, you have website traffic. If you have your pixel installed, this is where you can choose which different parts of the website that people are visiting. I don't have a pixel installed on this bum account because this is just to give you guys an example without revealing all of my client list. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to engagement. Now, engagement has a ton of stuff that you can choose from. You can create an audience of people who have interacted with one of your business pages, so in the past like 365 days, and then you can name your audience like, people who interact with my page. You name it that, create an audience, and it's going to populate. And then what you can do is you could actually go and create a lookalike audience of all of these people who have interacted with your page. But we're going to go to video, and also this is brand new. You can make a custom list of people who are interacting on your Instagram page. So if you've been seeing, Dan Henry has been using this tactic a lot. He actually created an ad that said, "Hey guys, saw you peeping out my Instagram profile. Thought I would give you guys this free offer for doing that." And so he's doing a really good job. If you don't follow Dan Henry, you should follow him. He's really, really awesome at Facebook advertising. But we're going to go to video right here, and then it's going to allow you to choose, people who have watched at least 10 seconds of your video, 25% of your video, 95% of your video. So the higher that you go, the more warmer your audience is going to be because they engaged for a while. And so what I like to do is people who have watched 50% of the video, then it's going to allow you to choose however many videos that you want to choose. And then you just go ahead and choose it, confirm, and then in the past, I like to do 90 days, and then, people who have watched my videos. And it does let you go in and choose multiple videos if you have them. Like I said, this is a bum account, so I don't have very many videos uploaded at the moment. And then you're just going to go and create audience, and then what that's going to do is that is going to populate right here. And then after it populates, you can go and create a lookalike audience of the people that you just, people who have watched my videos. And then keep it on one. It's going to create a list of about 2 million people that match the exact profile of people who have watched your video for 50% or more of the time. So anyway, hopefully that you found this helpful. A lot of people have been a little bit confused on how to do the actual steps. And so anyway, let me know if you need more help. As always, get in my private messenger, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Also, still got a couple of strategy calls to give away this week. So if you're interested, there's a link on my profile. So anyway, have an awesome day, guys.